In this video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a look at the Sharp XE-A217B cash register. The 217B's biggest feature is that it's got a flat keyboard with an inbuilt wet cover. So this makes it ideal for cafes, takeaways, restaurants, any type of hospitality environment, providing that you don't need any more than 70 preset product buttons. So the keyboard has up to 70 presets on it. So this machine we're looking at here has been pre-programmed with the presets, so you simply press the product item and the description and price is displayed on screen. When you complete the sale, you can also have a receipt print out if you want, and that description and price is also shown on the receipt. So using the machine is really simple. You just, once it's programmed, you just press your button and the price is displayed on screen. If you order the machine on our Platinum service, we'll do all your programming for you, so it'll be supplied as this one is with a colour keyboard, itemised colour keyboard, with all your products and prices shown on there. The other features the machine has, it's a single station thermal printer, so it's only got one printer, so if you need a 2-roll journal machine, this isn't the machine for you. Although it's suitable for hospitality, it doesn't have cashier interrupt, so you can't log in, put in 5 Guinness, go off and pour them, because that means your colleagues won't be able to use the machine. So it's basically designed for taking payment with the order, or it does have a fairly basic table tracking system. So if we cash that sale off, so if we press subtotal and it's come to £36.55, you can ring in £40 and press the total button. Change is displayed on screen. You've also got a couple of other tender buttons here, CH1 and CR1, if you take payments by cheque or card. So to use the guest lookup service, you simply assign a bar tab number, press the GLU key, and then you can reopen the tab that was already open and add items to it. There's an MVAL button to lay the items away, and you can reopen the tab later, add more items to it and print a bill out. It is fairly limited, so there's not loads of lines to it. You can't run 50 tables with 100 lines per table, but it'd be suitable for somewhere like a small tea rooms, maybe with 10 to 20 covers, having 10 to 20 items per tab. The machine also has an inbuilt SD card slot, so the programming can be backed up, and also your sales data can be exported onto the SD card, which you can then analyse in Excel if required. When Sharp released these range of machines, along with the 207 and the 307, they did away with the old key lock style of changing the mode. So on an old-fashioned till, you'd have a key, the manager would have one key and be able to turn it to program or reporting. On the Sharps, you now have a mode button, which basically gives you access to the report mode and the programming mode. If necessary, these can be protected by passcode, which replaces the old way of doing it with a different key. If we have a quick look at the type of reports you can do on this machine, if we go into X1Z1 mode, you've then got either flash read, which just gives you an on-screen report. You've got reading, which is basically the old-fashioned X, so it doesn't reset, or you have a resetting report. So your general would be your end of day reports. That will tell you how much money you've taken and how many sales for each department and what methods of payment were used. You then have a PLU menu, so that'll show you how many you've sold of each individual item since the last time you ran this report. And also at the bottom you've got the GLU menu, which will show you how many tabs you've got open, so you can get those cleared off before you run the end of day report. We've got another video demonstrating the cash drawer on this machine, which should be popping up on screen about now, so if you'd like to check that out. And then if you've got any more questions or need to know more information about the 217, please visit shopstuff.co.uk. Thanks for watching.